The iOS 27 public beta 2 is available now, and in this video we are going to have a quick look at all of the new features and changes it's going to bring to your iPhone. So here we go. So the very first thing visually that you will notice on iOS 27 public beta 2 is the transparency of the quick toggle icons on the lock screen. During the public beta 1, the background of the icons were less opaque, more whitish, and had more matte finish. But now after public beta 2, they are more liquid glossy, more transparent, providing a better visual experience. And this transparency is not impacted by the dark mode or the light mode. The same goes with the volume slider as well. If you move your finger on the volume slider, then earlier during the beta 1, it was less opaque, less transparent, less liquid glossy. But now after beta 2, it is more transparent, looks way more cleaner and more liquid glossy. A big new change is in the control center for AirPods. So if you connect your AirPods with your iPhone running on iOS 27 public beta 2, then you will get some new options and liquid gloss inclusion for AirPods control. So earlier, if you connect your AirPods with your iPhone during the public beta 1 and then press and hold the volume slider in the control center, then you will get this kind of menu that was pretty simple, straightforward. There was no liquid gloss. But now after the public beta 2, we got the liquid gloss UI available for AirPods control here as well. In the public beta 1, there was no slider, and to select any of the options you had to tap on it. But now you can just slide across the provided options to select one of them. Also, if you go to the listening mode and select the adaptive noise cancellation, then you get more option to select left and right for better listening experience. So this is a nice new inclusion for sure that's useful as well as visually pleasant. Now another new feature is for the Apple TV users. If you watch your favorite shows on Apple TV, then now Apple is providing a new option to download 2 next episodes of a show that you are watching in advance, so you can watch them offline, and once you are done watching them, they will be automatically deleted from your iPhone storage. To turn them on, all you have to do is go to the settings, scroll down, go to the app section, then go to Apple TV section, and here you will find an option called automatic downloads. Just tap on the slider to turn it on and you will be good to go. Now talking about the Siri, the iOS 27 public beta 2 brings the new splash screen for Siri. If you swipe from the top of the screen to launch it, and then if you go to the Siri settings on your iPhone, then here you will find a new option called preview. Here you can select how many lines of text you would like to appear while using Siri, just like your email preview, and you can select from 0 lines up to 5 lines. Now another change that you will find on iOS 27 public beta 2 for Siri is that if you go to the voice section, here you will find 2 new options, pace and expressivity. Since all of the features of Siri are not available on every single iPhone model, for example, here I got the iPhone 17e, but if you got iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, or any of the powerful enough iPhones that is going to run all of the features of the new Siri AI, then you will get these options on your iOS 27 public beta 2. So these are all of the new changes that the iOS 27 public beta 2 is going to bring to your iPhone. If you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for the future uploads. Hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.